I found a very pleasant surprise this morning. After weeks of raising the tobacco hornworms, one of my moths finally emerged. Now it doesn't want to fly away just yet. I've been trying to let it go so it can go feed on some zinnias and some sunchokes, but it doesn't want to fly away yet. I guess it's just not dark enough. Look how pretty this moth is. That's a big moth. Everybody's so quick to take out their hornworms because they are a garden pest to us. Tomato and tobacco hornworms are actually a native species, and this moth here has special mouth parts that can access deep flowers that a lot of other moths can't. Can't just disregard our nighttime pollinators. The tobacco hornworm is different from the tomato hornworm just by a little bit. The caterpillars are a little different, and so are the moths. So from the tobacco hornworm we get the Carolina Sphinx Moth. You can see these bright colors underneath the wing right there. And when these guys fly, they are pretty loud. They sound like a hummingbird flying through the air. They actually look like a hummingbird. They're about the same size. But you're not going to demonstrate that until night, are you? Here, take a sniff of these. You like that? So I'll be releasing this moth and the two others as soon as they hatch directly into the tomato jungle of my garden. Now it is pretty late in the season, so I doubt they're going to be able to lay eggs that form caterpillars in time to make pupas underground, but hey, this is the time that they decided to come out. She came out a few weeks ago. So this guy will just be performing his moth duties. It's just a short video I want to do because this guy hatched. Oh, where you going? Gonna fly? And I just wanted to show everyone how cool these moths are and that hornworms are not so bad after all. Thumbs up for the hornworms. Thanks for watching.